Placing windows is similar to those. Select the window tool under the Architecture tab. Click the window type from the Properties panel and place some windows around the walls as shown in my example. Let's load a new window type into the model. With the Windows tool selected, click on Load Family and browse to the Windows folder. Locate M_sliding with trim. Select this and load into your model. Now select two of the windows and change them to the newly loaded sliding window. You can always adjust the properties of the windows.